So hi everyone, it's currently June 30, 7:06 p.m. And for this intro, this is the part 3 of an archiving clips from 2025. This is from July to October 2021. So I hope you guys would enjoy this video. So hi guys, it's currently what is the time? What is the time?
12:41.
It's July 14 and 12:41. And randomly, habang kumakain kami ng KFC,
Sabi namin, nagbe-business kami.
and madami na pong nakasave. Like, legit, ayan, recorded. Nag-video ako para lang maano.
Makikita namin ito sa graduation.
Accountability, guys.
Graduate kami ni Nicole na may cafe kami. May business kami. At ituloy-tuloy namin to. Sa future, Hana, Nicole, Papa Marel, hindi po pwede.
Hindi pwede, kailangan ituloy yan.
Kailangan pre-med kayo pero nagbe-baking kayo.
Diba?
Aesthetic na. Makikita nyo na lang kami nakaganito yung ano.
Tatami.
Nakaganito. Tapos,
Yes, 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 yes.
let's go. Kaya today, pag magka-canvas kami today,
Sipag,
Tapos
convos.
mag-make kami, ang next update namin, nag-edit na kami ng logo.
Baka mamaya nag-e-edit na ako. Init ako pag-e-edit kaysa sa
Hindi na ako mag-MSE, mag-edit na ako ng logo.
Uy! Hindi tayo gaganyan ba? Yun lang naman, random thought. Kasi, personally, tagal ko na gusto mag-business. Like, yung sa Crawford pa lang. Gusto ko na siyang
May
gawin.
truffle din kami guys, may truffle kami. Lahat meron kami.
Yan, to future Hannah and Nicole, pagpatuloy yung partnership mo. And malay naman, lumago yan ang lumago.
Next namin update, nag-edit na kami.
Tapos ano, malay nyo naman, ma-invite kayo sa mga, ano na yan, yung mga event. Yan. Atake. Sabi ko magtitipid na ako.
Hey guys. Guys,
Tipid mo.
deserve na to. Guys, kasi we had one exam, and then we passed another exam, and then we only have one exam for this term, prelim, so, tinatapos na top topics.
Uusap na kami guys.
Bakit ang order na? And then, so we have ube waffle, and then I brought caramel waffle, we brought strawberry, and I brought baby cream. Yes!
Hello guys! hirap mag-balance sa heels. Diyos ko po. Hindi na mag-heels next time.